channel. Today I am going to unbox the Samsung curved gaming monitor that has quantum dot display. Its model number is CFG70 and I brought it around 20,000. This curved gaming monitor has a refresh rate of 144 Hz and a quick response time of 1 ms, that is 1 millisecond. So let us start unboxing. But before starting, please subscribe my channel for more videos like this and more videos based on unboxing and some how-to videos. So let us start. So first we are greeted here on the top of this box is Samsung Play the Curve, Rule the Game, Curved Gaming Monitor, Quantum Dot Display. On this side we have here Samsung and same thing written here. Just down below it are some specifications. And the picture of monitor itself. It features a 59.8 centimeter display. Now let us look what's inside the box. Let me cut this tape. So here we have got a page stating some information. And something is written on here. And this side too. So these all are the things we have got here. Let us start with this. This is the stand itself. This is the wall mount, I suppose. This is an adapter. And a CD with some cables. Let us remove this thermocol. So here is the monitor itself. So this is the monitor here and it has something written on here. You can read it if you want. It features a curved screen of 1800R. It is also not too thick. We have got here at the back of this monitor an power jack, HDMI, display port in. It's a service port and it's for headphone. This thing is pre-attached in this monitor and you will soon receive the full review of this monitor. If you like this video, then hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel and share my videos. Thanks for watching.